Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
So he has been hiding in the house of Hani ibn Urwa. Hello.
I don't know why the closer we get, the more worried I feel.
You're the head of Mozhaj tribe. What are you afraid of?
He fell into the trap with his own feet.
Greetings to Ubaidullah ibn Ziyad.
Never shall I greet you. Have you turned your house into the assembly place of our opponents? Do you shelter Muslim in your house and intend to kill me?
I've never intended to kill anybody.
So was it my late father in your storeroom who was waiting for a sign, with a sword in his hand?
As it seems, Emir is more aware of my storeroom than me, thanks to his spies.
Marker.
Do you know me?
Do you realize that you committed treachery, old man?
I'm the same person who swore allegiance to Muslim in your house.
But I didn't invite Muslim to my house. He has taken refuge in my house himself.
If you're telling the truth, surrender Muslim to me.
I'd never do such a thing. I'll never betray my guest.
Nonsense. You'll surrender Muslim to me, or I'll behead you.
If you disobey, the brilliance of my tribe's men's sword will blind you forever.
Take him away.
Come on, come on.
Release me.
Stop him, stop him. Ashath, quickly do something. Now you'll see who'll be blinded by our sword's brilliance.
I swear to God that if I doubted the rightfulness of Hussein ibn Ali and the descendants of the Prophet, I'd have never come such a long way, and would never have taken a step in this direction.
If I'm not wrong, you are fighting for caliphate.
Which caliphate? Is Hussein ibn Ali after caliphate and government?
What is he saying? People have doubted his speech.
I swear to God, he's not thinking about anything but the justice and righteousness you, the people of Koofeh, have called for. What happened to you people? Whoever fails to believe in the righteousness of Hussein ibn Ali can go now. And from now on his chastisement is left to Hussein's God.
Muslim ibn Aqeel. Muslim. Hani is arrested and held captive by Ibn Ziyad.
Have you received any news from Hussein?
Hani is arrested, held captive in the court of Ubaidullah.
Why didn't men of Mozhaj tribe do anything?
Ubaidullah has deceived him and said Hani is safe.
Go and inform whomever you know from our followers. We will start a revolt to release Hani. This is the last chance. Whoever.
We should do something.
What should we do?
I know. Wait a moment. Oh Muslim, are you sure that we will win this battle?
When we are killed and you and Ibn Ziyad advocate your cousin's teachings.
Do you people of Koofeh doubt the victory of righteousness and justice? Those who doubt go back right now.
This quarrel is no business of ours. Let's go. We should save Hani from Ubaidullah's prison.
Get up, people. This is no time for hesitation. It's time to fight and battle.
At least show mercy to your child.
Leave me alone.
What do they want?
Ram, come in, my child.
Release me, father.
This will end up in death. What's the use of it for us?
We've sworn allegiance. You've invited Imam to this city yourself. Isn't it unfair to abandon such an allegiance?
Muslim has a lot of supporters. But among my sons, only you have been left until the time I'm old.
Tell me, how many people are they?
Hundreds of people of Koofeh accompanied by Muslim. Of course, it is not important how many people there are, Master. We should do something to defeat them. It's better to frighten him first and then fight against them. But we have few soldiers.
Come on and see my soldiers, come on. Today, all the wealth and power belong to the people of Koofeh. Go and distribute these among the people of Koofeh. Be aware that from now on you will receive more valuable treasures.
It is said that the Syrian army is a powerful army. They have reached the gates of Koofeh. May God protect us from the Syrian army in a massacre. In your opinion, aren't the brilliance of Ubayd Allah's gold coins better than the brilliance of Hussein ibn Ali's sword?
We'd better not be seen in this crowd. Yes, let's go.